Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Olufemi Michael. I'm a data analytics instructor. Today we'll be looking at Format Painter and conditional formatting in Microsoft Excel. Now, the Painter feature in Excel can be used to format a cell. Now, if you look at my table, I have name, department, and monthly salary, and I have my criteria salary greater than equals to 30,000. So I want to use Format Painter to format any row that falls under my criteria. So to use my Format Painter in Microsoft Excel is very simple. What you need to do is to highlight the row in question, that is my row 2. If you look at the salary, it is equal to 30,000. So the next thing I'm going to do is to select my Format Painter. I'll select, then I will come here and click. Now this particular row has been formatted. So let me format all the other rows that falls under my criteria. So I will come to my Format Painter again, double click, and come to row 11, click, row 15, click, row 16, 17, 19, and 20. Now that I'm done, I will just double click again. So I have formatted all the rows that falls under my criteria. Now the next thing is to copy and paste. Of course, very simple to copy what I have done, to copy all the names inside this box, so inside this table rather. So what I will just need to do is to click Ctrl C and paste, Ctrl V. So the same thing I'm going to do here, Ctrl C, then Ctrl V. So the same I will do here, I will copy, Ctrl C, and then Ctrl V. So I will just clear this color using no fill. So these are the names that will be compensated. Now if I want to clear my format, how will I go about it? So I will need to select this particular row, or any row that you have not formatted. So just click your Format Painter, double click, and just clear, continue, clear, and clear. Once you are done, just double click. So this is how to make use of Format Painter to format your cell in Microsoft Excel. Now let's look at conditional formatting. Now we have the same table here, the same table. Now we want to use conditional formatting feature to achieve the same result when we used Format Painter. So now the first thing we need to do is to highlight the monthly salary. That's the first step. Now the second step is now go to your conditional formatting and click highlight cell rules. Are you there? So you drag, and then you come to your more rules, you click. So under more rules, we have format only cells that contain. So that's where you are coming. So once you have selected this, you come here, you come to format only cells with. Now we have cell value, specific text. Now we are going for cell value. Now let's see the criteria. Now the criteria here is this: salary greater than or equals to 30,000. So you will just click this drop down arrow, and here we have greater than or equal to. So we click it. Now you click this arrow to select your 30,000. So you click, this is my 30,000. I'll click, I'll hit my enter. So now the next thing is you click your format. Let's get my format. Now you come to your fill. So under fill, we want to use the same color, we want to use the same format. So we use this. Good. And then I'll press my OK. Now this is the preview of how it's going to look like. So now that I'm done, I will just click my OK. So let's see. Row 3, the same guy, Martins Lugard, 30,000. Row 12, 45,000. Row 16 to row 21, the same results. So it means that you can make use of Format Painter to achieve that task, and you can also make use of conditional formatting to achieve the same task. Now, the only thing is that if you have like more than 21 rows, maybe you are having like let's say you're having like 10,000 rows. Let's say you're having like 10,000 rows or 50,000 rows. You know, using Format Painter, we want to take your time. I hope you know. But if you make use of conditional formatting, with the help of conditional formatting, easily you will just input your criteria and hit your enter. Just hit your OK, and you will have your results. I hope it's cleared, and I hope you learned something again today. Make sure you like and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel in order to see more of my videos. I wish everyone a prosperous new year. Thank you for watching. Bye.